50, 50, 50.
What's up, Dad?
Hello, Dad. Sony.
Swani.
Hi, Sony.
Hi, Sony.
Sony Mama.
Hey, Sona Naya.
Hey, Sorana.
Sony Pet Nana.
Sony Pet Nana.
Hello, Anna.
Sony.
Sony Uncle. Sony Uncle.
Satish.
Satish. Hey, Satish.
Hey, Satish.
Hi, Sony.
Hi, Sony. Hey, Sony.
Hey, Sony.
Hi, buddy.
Hello, Swani. Very happy to talk to you again. Many happy returns of your birthday. It is good that you have completed 50 years peacefully and successfully. You have been working very hard right from your childhood. I still remember vividly you were traveling by bus alone when you were hardly 8-9 years old for schooling from Petla to Vallabh Vidyanagar. At times when you were not able to get a bus from Vidyanagar, you used to walk down about 3-4 kilometers and go to Karamsad to catch a bus. You have been working very hard throughout. We wish you all success and peace and happy life. Thank you.
Hi Sony, happy birthday. Can't believe that you are 50 years. That reminds me that I have grown very old now. I still remember you as a small kid helping me in my dairy course. You have been hardworking and compassionate from very beginning. We are very proud to be your parents. Love you, beta. Look after your family properly, well, and be happy.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday, Sony. Hi, Sony. Happy birthday to you. It's a very big milestone for you and for us for being very nice and kind, looking after the family. Thank you so much.
What's up, Dad? Happy 50th birthday. Thanks for taking care of me and Sahash. Yeah. Thanks.
Hello, Dad. Thank you for being a great dad, taking care of me and taking me to cricket. I hope you see this and love it.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सोनी मामा। बचपन में आपका जब भी मेंशन होता था इधर इट वाज बिकॉज ऑफ टू रीजंस। ए कि तेरे बाल सोनी मामा जैसे, तो अगर ध्यान नहीं रखेगा तो सोनी मामा जैसा हो जाएगा, तो ध्यान रख। दूसरा कि हम कहीं खाने जाते थे तो सोनी मामा ने ये खाने की चीज़ यहाँ पे रेकमेंड की है, तो मैं सूरत गया था तो सूरत में आप खिचड़ी खाने की एंड वो सब। एंड वाइल वो सब बहुत अच्छा था। ये 2020 लॉकडाउन के अंदर आप और मैं फ़ोन कॉल पर ज़्यादा बात करने लगे, विच आई रियली लाइक एंड आई अप्रिशिएट, एंड होपफुली इससे ज़्यादा और करेंगे। सो हैप्पी 50th बर्थडे एंड हैव अ ग्रेट ईयर।
हाय सोनी, हैप्पी बर्थडे। फाइनली तू 50 साल का हो गया है। यस, 50 years. सो इट्स अ गुड टाइम फॉर यू टू एडमिट कि मैं तुझसे छोटी हूँ और तू मुझसे बड़ा है। जस्ट बिकॉज मैं मेच्योर दिखती हूँ इसका मतलब ये नहीं, जस्ट बिकॉज मैं मेच्योर हूँ नॉट मेच्योर दिखती हूँ, जस्ट बिकॉज मैं मेच्योर हूँ इसका गलत फ़ायदा मत उठा, लोगों की गलत फहमी दूर कर कि तू मुझसे बड़ा है, मैं तुझसे छोटी हूँ, ठीक है। सो 50 years हैज़ बीन अ लवली जर्नी। 50 साल तेरे, मैं तो 50 साल नहीं देखे भाई तेरे साथ, बट जितने भी देखे इट वॉज रियल फन। इतनी सारी मेमोरीज़ है, खट्टी मीठी मेमोरीज़ है। हम लोग कितना झगड़ते थे, मैं कितना पीटती थी तुझे या दैट्स कमिंग ऑन कैमरा। और देयर बीन टाइम्स राइट फ्रॉम द मॉर्निंग जब तू मुझे गंदे गंदे चीप तेलुगु गाने सुना के उठाता था, टू द टाइम तू शाम को मैगी बना के खिलाता था मुझे। सो मैनी मेमोरीज़, फूड मेमोरीज़, म्यूज़िक मेमोरीज़, पार्टी मेमोरीज़, इतनी सारी मेमोरीज़ है। ऑल्सो द टाइम जब हम एक दूसरे के लिए कवर अप करते थे, वो टाइम जब मैंने चीनी का डोसा बनाया था, मम्मी नहीं थी घर पे एंड आई वांटेड टू ट्राई समथिंग, तो मम्मी आए उससे पहले तूने सारा तवा घिस दिया था बिकॉज चीनी का डोसा ऑब्वियसली सारा स्टिकी हो गया था एंड हमने मम्मी को बताया नहीं था। टू द टाइम जब तूने पैसे चोरी किए घर से समोसे खाने के लिए मम्मी को बताया बगैर, जिसकी वजह से मुझे डांट पड़ी थी। येस, ऑल दोज मेमोरीज आर स्टिल विथ मी एंड वेल यू ऑलवेज बीन मम्मी पापा का प्यारा बच्चा, गुड बच्चा, बट ठीक है, आई मीन दैट इज़ योर स्पेशल क्वालिटी एंड आई अप्रिशिएट इट। याद है बचपन में तू मुझे बोलता था कि मुझे भैया बुलाया कर, हमेशा इंसिस्ट करता था और मैं कभी नहीं बोलती थी, ज़िद्दी थी, मैं नहीं करती थी। तो आज मैं तेरी वो ख्वाहिश पूरी करती हूँ। एक गाना है जो हर ओकेजन पे जब भी तेरी याद आती है तो मैं गुनगुनाती हूँ। आई सिंग इट टू माई सेल्फ ऑफकोर्स, जैसे रक्षाबंधन पे। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरा भैया है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है, फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है। आई नो मैंने गाना चेंज कर दिया, पर वो तो मेरा काम है ना, मैं चीज़ें चेंज करती रहती हूँ। सो वेल, ऑन दैट नोट, जितने तूने बाल खोए हैं उससे लंबी तेरी उम्र हो, उससे कहीं ज़्यादा तेरी लंबी उम्र हो और बेहतरीन उम्र हो। विश यू वेरी हैप्पी इनिंग्स फॉर द नेक्स्ट सेंचुरी अहेड। हैव फन, चीयर्स एंड बहुत बड़ी पार्टी हम लोगों की बाकी है व्हेन वी मीट नेक्स्ट।
Happy birthday, Sony Penana. Have a very good 50th birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Sunny Pednana. Have a great one.
Wish you a very, very happy 50th birthday, Sonanaya.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Sorana. Enjoy the day.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sorana. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! And one for love. Hip hip hooray! And don't forget the chocolate aeroplane and the champagne. Hip hip hooray!
Hello Anaya, many happy returns of the day.
Hello Anaya, many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Sony Penana.
Happy birthday to you, Sony.
Satish bhai, wish you happy birthday and many happy returns of the day and happy new year.
Happy birthday, Satish. May God bless you.
जन्मदिन मुबारक हो भाई, पूरे सेंचुरी मार लो।
Many more happy returns of the day, Sony.
Many more happy returns of the day, Satish Dodappa.
Happy birthday to you, Kaka.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Satish uncle. May all your dreams come true.
Many more happy returns of the day, Dodappa.
Happy birthday, uncle. Have an amazing year ahead, and I hope you always get more than you deserve. हैप्पी बर्थडे कैन।
नमस्ते भैया, कैसे हो आप? आपका बर्थडे है, मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न द डे। आप यहाँ पर बड़ौदा में नहीं है तो हमें अच्छा लगता नहीं है। आप कब आ रहे हो? और आपकी याद बहुत आती है हमको, घर में सुना सुना लगता है। आप आते हो तो अच्छा घर खिल जाता है। तो मैं कब आऊँ ऑस्ट्रेलिया?
Hi Satish, hope you are having a great day, bhai. Since everyone is trying to say very nice things about you, I will also try my level best and say a few good things about you. But those are true, and my heart knows that. यार करियर जब शुरू किया था, जो नई जगह देखी उसमें अमरेली, मोरबी, राजकोट, जूनागढ़, भावनगर, ये सब जगह तेरे साथ में देखी थी। तूने दिखाई थी, तूने ट्रेन किया था, चैनल में सेल्स कैसे करते तूने बताया था। बट सबसे जो अलग चीज़ तूने की थी वो ये थी कि यार एक नए सेल्स के बंदे को अपने घर लेके जाना, फैमिली से मिलाना, फैमिली की तरह ट्रीट करना, ये सब चीज़ें मैंने लाइफ में किसी और बंदे में नहीं देखी, ज़्यादा दोस्तों में भी नहीं देखी इनफैक्ट। एंड दैट रियली मेक्स यू स्टैंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम मोस्ट ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स दैट आई हैव टुडे। एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू आर सो स्पेशल टू मी इन माई लाइफ, नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज यू ट्रेन मी इन माई फर्स्ट जॉब, but also because you really made me feel welcome when I used to come to Gujarat. यारों का यार है तू, सच्चा दिलदार है तू, and I wish you a very happy birthday today. May God bless you with a lot of happiness, good health, and always keep you smiling. Lots of love, bhai. Lots of love. God bless you. See you soon.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सतीश, गोल्डन जुबली कंप्लीट करने के लिए हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। सो आज कैसा एंजॉय करने वाले हो आज का दिन? इसको तो गोवा याद आता है जब भी तेरी बात चलती है।
काजू मामा याद आता है।
काजू मामा याद है?
हाँ।
है?
सही में।
और वो सीन याद आता है मस्त केकड़े खाते हुए।
हाँ, और मैं और शांति अलग टेबल पे और आप सब लोगों का अलग टेबल।
हाँ।
सो बहुत अच्छे दिन साथ में कुछ दिन बिताए, मेमोरेबल डेज, एंड विश यू गुड हेल्थ एंड मेंटल पीस थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ। विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे।
चल भाई आजा जल्दी से, गोद जाए जाना अपना पेंडिंग है, फिर गोवा।
हाफ सेंचुरी।
Satish, first of all, hearty congratulations on completion of this first milestone in your life, 50 years, Golden Jubilee as it is called. And I'm sure you would have been proud of the first 50 years that you have spent on planet Earth. And it's been a successful 50 years for you as well. My association with you, I think it began when I had joined in Benzoil about 20 years back in Churchgate, Mumbai, and you all guys from the Western region had come for a meeting to the head office, and that's where we got to know each other initially, and then subsequent to that my visit to Baroda and your subsequent visit to your house to get to know your family members. The association, if you, myself and Atul had the privilege to attend your marriage as well in Baroda, and it was really a good feeling to be associated with you over there. Wonderful human being as you are. You are also a wonderful cook. The lot of dishes which you kept on sharing during the lockdown period did in fact proud me to say that you have a future in the food business as well. So loads of good wishes, good luck. It's been my pride to get associated with you. You're a wonderful, wonderful human being, and have got a wonderful family as well. And by God's grace, now well settled even in Sydney. And I'm sure you will do well in your professional life as well as your personal life as well. And I wish this association, and I'm sure that this association will continue for life. So congratulations on completion of the first innings, and good luck for the beginning of the second innings, which I'm sure will be even more productive and prove to be even more worthy as compared to the first innings. We look forward to celebrating completion of second innings with you. Good luck. Goodbye.
Happy birthday, Satish. Happy 50th birthday, Satish. May God bless you with all the successes, happiness in life. I know you're going to do well in life. You are a very happy-go-lucky person, and that's how you should be all the time. I have known you for a brief period of time, and whatever period I knew, you were bindas, you were open, and be always like that. God bless you, and have a great year and great life ahead. Enjoy, and just don't ever change. That's your personality. And I learned one more thing about you. You are an amazing cook, so you have an alternate career. So it's a loss for, the industry. Try it out. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello Satish sir, wish you a very 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 happy birthday and a new year. Sir, I was one of those fortunate people जिनका initial years of my career मेरा induction आपके साथ हुआ है. The amount of learnings that I got in those times, the amount of personal care that I got from you during your Rajkot days was like, I can never forget those in my life, those good memories. 20 years later when I met you again in Australia, I think it was again a great time. Both me and my wife enjoyed thoroughly meeting you and Shanti Bhabhi. You got a lovely house, lovely kids, और जो लास्ट डे हम लोगों ने टूर किया सर वो हमारे पूरे ऑस्ट्रेलिया टूर से अच्छा था. तो हम लोगों ने वो वी ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द काइंड ऑफ साइट सीइंग जहाँ आप हमको लेकर गए थे. वो दिन शायद हमारा ऑस्ट्रेलिया की पूरी ट्रिप या जितनी ट्रिप्स हमने की है उनमें वन ऑफ द बेस्ट था. We thoroughly enjoyed your cooking as well. I can say a lot of things about you. You are a great professional, you are a great friend, you are a great cook, but above all, you are a great human being. So thank you for being there. I think you are one of those few people जिनको मैं दिल से सर बोलता हूँ since day one. Although you always told me not to say sir, but वो मेरे दिल से निकलता है. So I'm fortunate enough कि मेरा आपसे कुछ मैं आपको जानता हूँ और आपके साथ फ्रेंडशिप हो पाई. एंड यू आर सीरियसली a great guy. Thanks for being in touch with me always. And I'm looking forward to see you soon, meet you soon. Happy New Year. Have a healthy, happy and prosperous New Year. Bye-bye.
Hey Satish, many happy returns of the day to you. You've had 5 decades of an amazing life. Go ahead and make this one your best yet. Have a lovely one, dude. Bye.
Hey Satish, many happy returns of the day. Have a great day, great year and great life ahead. सतीश जब पूरा इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम ऑस्ट्रेलिया में 50 रन कंप्लीट नहीं कर सकती है एंड यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर हाफ सेंचुरी, सो हार्टिएस्ट कांग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर कंप्लीटिंग योर हाफ सेंचुरी देयर इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. आई प्रे टू गॉड कि दूसरा हाफ सेंचुरी भी तुम बहुत अच्छे से बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से कंप्लीट करो. ऐसी बहुत शुभकामनाएं मेरी ओर से. सतीश, इट्स बिन 21 years. हम लोग 21 साल पहले मिले थे. पेंजोइल ने मेरी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में तो बहुत कुछ दिया है, बट जो सबसे अच्छी चीज़ दी है पेंजोइल ने वो है मुझे काफ़ी सारे अच्छे दोस्त मिले हैं. एंड पहला दोस्त जो मिला पेंजोइल में जो मुझे मिला था सतीश, दैट इज़ यू सतीश. एंड आई रियली मिस दोज कैप्री डेज सतीश, जो हम लोग कैप्री में सेशंस किया करते थे. आई रियली मिस दोज सेशंस सतीश. Satish, what I have learned from you is excellent relationship building skill. You share great relations with all your partners, distributors, bosses and friends. I really admire that and I have learned it from you, Satish. And I'm looking forward to meet you very soon. हम लोग बहुत जल्दी से मिले, अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करें तुम्हारा बर्थडे. And once again, God bless you. Have a great day and a great life ahead. Thank you.
Hello and many happy returns of the day, Mr. Parimi Satish Venkatesh Chakrapani. I hope I said some of it right at least. Sony dear, जन्मदिन की बहुत बधाई. Happy birthday. What can I say, my friend? We've been together for so long. I got so many memories to cherish with you. It's been great. You've been a great friend and an advisor all the time. And here we are. I'm in Canada. You are in your side of the world. And we are in the 50 club now. So enjoy your day. Have a great bash with family and friends. And wish you 50 more to come. Thank you, Sony, and enjoy. Bye.
Happy birthday, Sony. So, what are your plans for today? कैसे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं अपना बर्थडे? यार तेरे बारे में तो मैं क्या बोलूँ. हम लोग इतना धमाल मस्ती करते थे. We had a golden time. क्या कॉलेज में हमने मस्तियाँ की हैं. जब हम तेरे मैरिज में गए थे तब हमने कितनी मस्ती की थी. सो ईच एंड एवरी मोमेंट हमने बहुत अच्छे से एंजॉय किया है. वी ऑल फ्रेंड्स बहुत अच्छे से हम लोगों ने टाइम स्पेंड किया है. जब भी मैं याद करती हूँ वो टाइम, मुझे लगता है वो टाइम फिर से वापस आ जाना चाहिए. हम सब फिर इकट्ठे हों, मज़ा करें, मस्ती करें. और वी आर वेरी फॉर्चुनेट फॉर यू एज अ फ्रेंड. यू आर वेरी हेल्पिंग. और हमेशा व्हेनेवर वी नीड यू, तुम हमेशा कॉलेज टाइम में हर बार हमारे साथ रहते थे. सो एन्जॉय एंड हैव अ ब्लास्ट बर्थडे. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Hi Sony, how are you? Missing those golden days जब हम सब गन्ने का रस पीने जाते थे और घर जाने का मन नहीं होता था. Really, I'm very lucky to have a great friend like you. Thanks for giving us great memories. Oh, today is your birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday. I hope this is the beginning of the best year ever. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Sony. This is a right moment to wish you a good luck and may all your wishes come true. That somebody can make an awesome, yummy biryani the way you make and serve you. I'm sure that is the only wish you have. Very happy birthday once again. Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day. Have a wonderful time and share your videos or photographs or your celebration that you do with your family. Have a wonderful day.
Hey Sony, 50. Seriously? Wow. Time flies. Definitely time flies. I don't know how to start, where to start, but definitely happy birthday to someone who remembers how it was like to use a payphone, to flip over a cassette tape, or I would say getting up from the chair to change the TV channel. But honestly, you make turning 50 look good, so I may need to try sometime. You have created wonderful life and beautiful family. So congratulations on your amazing 50. Yes, I do miss all our college time funs. I mean, we used to come to your place, eat auntie's food, and oh my god, used to have so much fun with Pratima, Vipin, Ashish, Chandan. Yeah. So I wish I can see you all again sometime soon, but I'm definitely wishing you a fun-filled, fabulous 50th birthday, and hope your 50th celebration rocks and kicks off an incredible year. Miss you, friend, and keep in touch. And again, many happy returns of the day. Bye.
Hi Sony, many happy returns of the day. Wish you have a wonderful day and great year ahead. Stay blessed and stay safe always. Yaar, I miss your haath ka khana. Hope to meet you soon. Bye.
Hi Sony.
Hi Sony. Cheers to your 50th. We are so lucky to have you as a best friend.
For over 3 decades and counting.
I know हम लोग काफी दूर है एक दूसरे से अभी.
But हमारा कोई भी occasion तुमको याद के बिना नहीं होता है.
चल यार बैठते हैं, कभी मिलते हैं वापस. वही जिंदगी जीते हैं.
काफी stories तो मैंने भी सुनी है. Hopefully you guys make it to all those places again. But काफी catch up मुझे भी करना है. All your culinary skills, all the food, the finger licking food that I'm missing out on. We need to plan.
Till then, all the best.
celebrate,
Enjoy your day,
get pampered. Cheers.
and hopefully we'll meet soon. Bye.
Hey Sony Uncle, wishing you a very happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday Sony Uncle.
હલો સુની, તારી 50મી વર્ષગાંઠ નિમિત્તે ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છાઓ. તારું આ નવું વર્ષ ખૂબ આરોગ્યદાયક અને સુખ અને સમૃદ્ધિદાયક નીવડે એ જ શુભેચ્છા.
Hey Sony, wishing you a very happy 50th birthday buddy. ઇન્ડિયામાં હોત તો ધમાલ પાર્ટી કરી હોત, બટ આઈ નો તારે ત્યાં તું બધાને ખવડાવીશ ચાપ અને પછી સરસ સરસ ખાવાનું, બટ મારા તરફથી બી ખાઈ લેજે ને પી લેજે. Enjoy your day. I know the first 50 has been a little bit of struggle professionally, personally, but still later half you settled down well. And hopefully the next 50 will be with a good health, wealth, prosperity and a lot of happiness. So enjoy your day, have fun, અને મમ્મીજી, આશના, ગૂગલ બધા તરફથી a very happy 50th birthday bud.
Happy birthday Sony, happy 50th birthday. Have fun. અમને યાદ કરજે.
Hi Sony, happy birthday. Finally, you are 50. And now it's my turn to really rub it in. Happy 50th birthday. 50, 50, 50. We go back a very long way, Sony, right from our BSc days to those wonderful parties we used to have, and then there's occasional visits to Mumbai, and that party at Gorai Beach, and that party on that cruise ship. And then back in Baroda, those endless Buddha Sadhu parties we used to have in Vinny's place or Sanju Bhai's place, where all we needed was thumbs up, Buddha Sadhu, and famous ka samosa. And we were on. And that wonderful birthday party of yours where Lajuli first walked in and said, "Happy birthday, Sony." And I love that bewildered look on your face. And that was one of the best pranks I ever pulled upon you. And I love that look on your face. Like it was like, इधर देखता है, इधर देखता है. एक बार शांति को देखता है, एक बार लाजली को देखता है. Dean. Sorry, you are the king of all cuisines. You are the foodie's foodie. You are the Badshah of biryanis. You are the reason for which I never really had to even read a menu in my life. You knew all the menus by heart, and you knew what dishes to order. So I never bothered to look at the menus. I still don't, because Lajuli knows all the menus by heart now. And you are the guy because of whom I got to go to so many parties and then listen to such wonderful stuff like Khati Chas, Amar Jol Khabe. आंटी, उत्तर प्रदेश में लोग तेलुगु बोलते हैं. So, welcome to the fabulous 50s. Good day. Have a blast. Have all the beer and the biryani in the world. And happy 50th birthday once again. Thank you.
Hi buddy, welcome to the 50s club.
Happy 50th.
I entered this club some 6 months back and it's good fun. I share some of the best memories with you. As in memories का मेरा ये चक्कर है कि मेरे को बहुत सारी चीज़ें याद रहती नहीं है. Okay, I remember only the good things in life, and I think most of those good things I shared with you. I remember those college days. Oh God, they were the best days of our lives. Those long bike rides, those late nights, those late nights studying for exams, the last minute studying for exams, the walk to the mess, the cigarette sharing. I don't know why I used to share cigarettes, but we used to. I guess we were saving cost. And those late night drinking sessions, so they were absolutely brilliant. I know you are the one who introduced us to spicy food. Man, तेरी cooking, amazing cooking, but इतना तीखा होता था कि मैं कहाँ से पानी निकलता था पता नहीं चलता था. The other irritating habit about Sony, कितना भी late night हो जाए, and if you have to go somewhere, he will be the first one ready. सुबह उठ के नहा धो के तैयार होके बैठ जाता था, पता नहीं कहाँ जाना होता था, मगर always ready.
And so many parties we did together. For
crazy
every
parties,
occasion, my birthday, Sunil's birthday, or anything, just any weekend we are free.
Absolutely.
Sony comes from Baroda for the party, and we all are partying. So many parties we did together. Even Baroda trip, I will never forget when you guys came home.
Navratri one?
7 boys came to pick up at my house, and there was no electricity, and it was like a scary thing. And we left from there, and this Baroda trip we had. This is a picture.
We collected lots of pictures to show it.
Yeah.
Look at this.
So much
Look at
fun.
this. Look at this. This is
Daman.
the Daman picture. Remember this party?
Wow, we had so
देख,
much fun. Whipping,
मोटा का मोटा ही था तू तभी भी. But it was one of those crazy parties. I remember those madness parties and all that stuff with Sanjay. Wow, the amount of fun we had together was crazy. I remember, the other thing I remember is our shadis. I think तेरे कारण मैं घोड़ी पे बैठा था. How I hated that. I remember you also sending the घोड़ी to the wrong address.
I know. 6:30 in the morning when I'm going to get ready, तभी
मुक्ति के घर पे भेज दिया तूने
घोड़ी
घोड़ी
आ
को.
गई. सब लोग घर में बोल रहे हैं कुछ नया सिस्टम रिचुअल करने वाले हो.
See this wedding pictures. Remember? ये देख.
And this, yeah, he
On your
carried
shoulder. घोड़ी के बाद गधे पे. This is your wedding. It was so much fun. Yeah, I remember wearing dhoti, silk dhoti तूने बनवाई थी सबके लिए. Your wedding in Hyderabad, right? You were also there. No?
Yeah, I was pregnant with Swayam that time, and so much fun we had. We really had. We have had some of the best memories.
Yeah, absolutely. So
And
for
really,
with
really,
you, I
yeah.
think some of the best memories of our lives are shared with you. Yeah.
Many happy returns of the day. Have a great year in life ahead. Enjoy. We miss you lots. I wish we were all there to celebrate with you.
Don't worry, we will celebrate here. So देख 4 बजे शाम के, okay, फिर भी मैंने बियर खोली तेरे बर्थडे की खुशी में. So
दिल
welcome
बहलाने
again.
को ख्याल अच्छा है.
So welcome to the 50s club once again. 50 साल का हो गया, सुधर जा अभी, खाने में स्पाइस कम कर दे, तेरी एज को शोभा नहीं देता. और थोड़ा चिल कर, सुबह उठ के रेडी होने की जरूरत नहीं है लाइफ में, ठीक है ना? Enjoy your 50s and hope to see you soon. Many happy returns.
Many happy.
Cheers.
Can we have dinner now?